Retirement is a significant milestone in life, and it's important to make the most of this new chapter. The law of attraction can help us manifest a fulfilling retirement by aligning our thoughts, beliefs, and actions with our desires. Here are some tips for using the law of attraction to manifest a fulfilling retirement. Set clear intentions. Before retiring, take some time to reflect on what you want to achieve in your retirement. Write down your goals and prioritize them. Visualize yourself achieving these goals and set clear intentions for what you want to manifest. Focus on positive thoughts. The law of attraction responds to our thoughts and emotions. Focus on positive thoughts and emotions that align with your goals for retirement. This can include feelings of gratitude, joy, and abundance. Avoid negative thoughts and emotions that can create resistance and interfere with your manifestation. Use affirmations. Affirmations are positive statements that help to reinforce positive beliefs and emotions. Use affirmations that support your retirement goals, such as, "I am living a fulfilling retirement," "I am healthy and active in my retirement," and "I am enjoying my retirement to the fullest." Repeat these affirmations daily to stay focused and motivated. Visualize success. Visualization is a powerful tool for manifesting our desires. Take a few minutes each day to visualize yourself living a fulfilling retirement. See yourself doing the things you love, spending time with loved ones, and achieving your retirement goals. This will help to motivate and energize you towards your desires. Plan for your retirement. To manifest a fulfilling retirement, it's important to plan and prepare for it. Make a list of the activities you want to do, the places you want to visit, and the hobbies you want to pursue. Research the resources and support available to help you achieve your goals. Having a plan in place can help you to stay focused and on track. Surround yourself with positive energy. Surround yourself with people and environments that support your retirement goals. Spend time with loved ones who uplift and inspire you. Join social groups or clubs that align with your interests, and create a positive environment in your home. Focus on personal growth. Retirement is a great time to focus on personal growth and self-improvement. Take up a new hobby or skill, learn a new language, or volunteer for a cause that's important to you. Focusing on personal growth can help you to feel fulfilled and purposeful in retirement. Practice gratitude. Gratitude is a powerful emotion that can help us to attract more abundance into our lives. Take a few minutes each day to reflect on what you are grateful for in your retirement. This will help you to stay positive and focused on your retirement goals. In conclusion, the law of attraction can help us manifest a fulfilling retirement by aligning our thoughts, beliefs, and actions with our desires. By setting clear intentions, focusing on positive thoughts and emotions, using affirmations and visualization, planning for retirement, surrounding ourselves with positive energy, focusing on personal growth, practicing gratitude, we can create a fulfilling and purposeful retirement. Remember, retirement is not just about resting and relaxing, but also about living a fulfilling and meaningful life.